Hi guys, welcome back and welcome if this is your first time. My name is Bobby and I do videos predominantly for women who are 50 plus in home, beauty, lifestyle, things like that. This video I am going to be focusing on actually beauty and organization. So I am going to be decluttering and organizing this disaster behind me. And I know for some people this might not look really bad. It needs to be decluttered. So I'm gonna go through all of my makeup and see what things I wanna keep and what things I wanna get rid of. And I am hoping to get to a very small stash. So I'm gonna take you along with me and you guys can see the before and the after. Didn't even know I had this. Let's tackle blush and bronzers. Let's talk powder. To eyeshadow. All right, we're gonna just go faster. Yes, 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 no, 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 yes, I love this, yes, yes. So getting rid of 3. SPFs, I'm gonna keep all 3. This is the one I use all the time. Love this. This was expensive and I love it, but it's expensive, and I like this one just as much, which is a fraction of the cost. So I'm going to use this up, but when this is done, I continue using this. This one is a good one. I really do like this, but I'm going to just take this with me to the beach. All right, I have 2 setting mists. You guys, I used to love this, but this is now way over a year old. So I'm gonna get rid of this. You know I love this, I'm keeping this. These are brow pencils. I'm going to keep all the pencils. Mascara. Oh, good grief. I'm not getting rid of any of these. I like all of these. So all of this has to go in my drawers. So I just don't think that I'm going to be able to get those into those drawers right there. And it's only these 3 drawers. And remember, they're rather shallow. So I don't think it's gonna happen. I wish I could have gotten rid of more, but I don't think I'm gonna be able to. But we'll see. I will get to work and see if I can get all of this to be organized. We'll see. I finally finished this, so let me show you what I did. I am a train wreck at this point. I feel like I am just such a mess, but it has taken me a couple hours to figure this out, and I'm not even sure if it's perfect because until you start using it, it just doesn't make sense, and you just have to find out once you're in the process of putting makeup on. So let me show you what I did. My goal in doing this was to clear off most of the desktop because it was driving me crazy. And I think I pretty much accomplished that. So let me show you. All right, so the lights are on, as you can see. If you're wondering how my husband made these, I actually did a video on how to do this because this is actually a mirror and 2 lights that my husband made, and it was actually quite easy and extremely cheap. So if you're looking for something to get a really good light situation, this would be a really good one. I love doing my makeup here. So, okay, as you can see, basically all I have is a thing of brushes. I have a spray and a sponge and just a couple tools right there. And I have perfume and I have my mirror. And that's it. That's all that's on my desk except the side thing here. And I may decide to take this off because I don't know if I really need it. I could just get a fan that would sit on the table and that would make it even cleaner looking in here. So I may do that. We'll see. All right, going over here is just my top one is tools. The only thing really is my SPF and that's it. Here is my foundation, and back here is just concealers, and it's pretty easy to just grab back here, so I don't mind going in there. The third one is all eyes, so mascara, these 2 are brows, and then this is anything like eyeshadow. You guys know I use a concealer for my all over color on my lids, so I put it here with eyes. And then this is just lotions and stuff, not makeup. You guys know I love this, and if any of you are wondering why, maybe you're new around here, I feel like I always have to explain this. We redid our baseboards literally 3 years ago, and then my husband's job got precarious and we decided we could not exchange the carpet, so we've never done our carpet, and every time we think we're about to go do it, something else happens, and of course now he doesn't have a job and we're in the middle of a pandemic. So that would be the reason it still looks like that. I literally have a trough there, see the back, around my entire bedroom. So it is what it is. Then these three stayed the same. This middle one, or this next one, is all, I call it just face. So blush, bronzer, this is like contour, highlight, and then back here is powders. Very easy to grab back here. The next one is lips, so liners and lipstick, and yeah, it's gonna slide. I might actually get something to go in the base of all of these so that they don't slide, and they're also quieter. This next one is all dirty tools, so any dirty brushes and dirty sponges, so I just need to get them clean. And then this next one is clean ones, so for me to use anytime I need is all clean. So that's it, guys. I know everything, don't look back there. It's a disaster back here because all the stuff that I need to get rid of, which let me show you all the stuff I'm getting rid of. All in there are things that I am getting rid of. That whole entire pile, not my husband's shoes, but you know, I just threw it in there. So I'm actually quite excited. Some of it Rachel's just going to go through and see if she wants. Some of it just needs to be thrown out. A lot of it does. So I'm excited about getting rid of all that. So guys, that's it. I hope that you liked this video. It's a lot of work and I'm so excited to try it. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to put that below and I will answer them. And if you haven't subscribed, consider doing that. All right. I will see you guys in the next video. God bless.